Right, we're back here on the rebuild here of the carburetor, and that's the dirt there come out of the bottom of the bowl. So it's no wonder that this thing wouldn't start. But anyway, we'll start off with the main jet. It's a two-piece jet, and I'll screw this, that's it, out of there. Right, as you can see, that there's blocked there. So I'll just clean it out like this here. And give it a spray of carb cleaner. And give that a spray as well. Screw that back in there. Hold it with a spanner and tighten it up. Right, this is our main part of the carburetor here now. Start off with the needle jet. That down on there. Get our float on the pan. And what I do is get a wee bit of straw and just put it over the main pipe like that there, and then blow on it. And that's working. Just screw our main jet back in again, and I've already cleaned out that, but just give her a wee spray and then through that other jet as well, although I've already cleaned it all out prior to this. So screw that on there like so, and sweeten it up. This jet here, don't know how you'll be able to see it, but there's holes along here. They're very small, but if you hold it up to the light you can see them. And they are clear, so I can screw this back in. That goes in there. Sweeten it up. That's that. The seal on the bowl, what I do is I get a wee bit of grease, just a wee smear onto each corner like that. Not a plaster, just a wee drop, and it helps to hold the rubber gasket in place. Just push it down on, make sure that it's down on the slot, and the grease will help to keep it in place. And drop it on like so, and put on our 2 screws. Just sweeten them up evenly. And you don't need to tighten them very tight. They need to be just nice and snug, because they're onto aluminium. Right, now get our mixture screw, drop that down on there, and tighten it on the full way. That's it on the full way, and then back it off between 1.5 and 2 full turns. So that's half, 1, 1.5, 2. And do the same with the idle screw. So just back it off, 1, 2. These will need adjusted once we get her back up and running again, but that's her back together again, ready for install. And just check that wee screw there is tight, and that's her ready for fitting. So I'll see about getting this back on this engine here. Okay.